Okay guys, so in the last lesson I showed you guys how to use images in your app. So today we'll be talking about icons and buttons. So if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. So let's get started. So in our we delete all this image here. Delete it. And in our child we have the elevated button. That's the first button we'll be looking at today. Elevated button, and then in our child, so the elevated button will be taking the widget text widget of I am a button. And well, I'm having an error here, so don't forget your button needs to have the unpressed. And yeah, let's just give it a function of, let's see, once you press it will print out I have been pressed. So add your semicolon here, and if you run this you should see this shape. Okay, wow, so you're having an error. Switching action button. Oh, I deleted more than was expected, so let me just add my comma here for the center, and you still have the so okay, yeah. And if we run this now, we should see it. We should see our button on this screen. Okay, and here is our button. So if I press here, if I press this button, you can see in our app, in our Android Studio, I have been pressed. So the next button we'll be looking at is the text button, and let's run this to see it. This is a button, even though it may not look like it, but if you press it, you get it there. I have been pressed. And the last button we'll be looking at is the outline button. Outline button. So let's run this and also if you press this, so you get it. So this is where we stop today, guys. I know I promised that I said we're looking at buttons and icons, but I'm kind of tired, so I'll continue this. We'll talk about icons in the next